Hello, welcome fellow investors. This is Investment Advice and I just want to know, is this the end of the dollar? It looks like it from so many different metrics. If we look at it, it looks like in 5 years it'll probably be worthless. Let's have a look pre-COVID at the share prices of these companies. As I said before in one of my previous videos, if you watch it, about Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, its net profits over the last 2 years seem to be flat, if not beating inflation at all. Share price is up 61%. Why is that? Well, that is because the price of money and the value of money is getting less and less. So the dollars from the rich people are all chasing less and less assets returns. You see, they're all going to try and bid up the prices because they have to put the money somewhere. Of course, shares and assets is a big financial instrument and a big place where money goes to hide. And you see that in the US stock market at the minute. It is at record highs, and clearly it's going higher. Doesn't look like it's going to go any time lower because the US dollar is going to get debased as the big beautiful bill is in place. Boomers are collecting their pensions, and dollars every day have to be repaid at 4.5% to foreign owners of bonds. This is an absolute crazy situation in all reality if we think about it, but nobody is thinking about it. They just think the stocks are going up because they are just so good companies, but in reality the bigger picture is quite clear to see. Debasement of the currency of the US dollar, and clearly funding an existence in this world they can't afford, from their world wars and to obviously their bases across the world. They're overspending, and clearly that is not what the bondholders want to see. The 30-year and the 10-year are still pushing higher, but more importantly we're seeing gold as well going higher. But Bitcoin is also a canary in the coal mine. It's showing at $120,000 at the minute. It looks like it will go to at least 300, not this year, probably next year and the year after. At the way the dollar is currently debasing, I didn't believe this would happen so quickly. 2025, and now looks like we're very close to a full dollar debasement, and you can see that in the share prices of the stocks. It happens in countries like Venezuela, Zimbabwe. When their currency collapses, the stock market goes really high and people believe they're getting rich, but in real terms they're not. The story always continues with this inflation number of 2 to 3%, which in reality is complete nonsense. If you look at yourself and go to the supermarket, and I have done it in the past, I bought a steak 2 years ago, and one of my videos I've done before and showing that the price of steak in Northern Ireland in the UK is up 40% almost in 2 years. It's the same product of 40%, and yet the governments worldwide claim inflation is very low. That is